Guys, this one feels incredibly soft and luxurious from the very first wear. The fabric is light, smooth, and super breathable on the skin. It has a subtle sheer finish that adds a refined, elegant touch. Honestly, it's designed for comfort with a clean, modern vibe. The waistband sits gently without any tight grip. It gives a secure fit while still feeling relaxed. Friends, this is perfect for long hours of comfortable wear. No irritation, no adjusting, just effortless ease. The stitching is neat and almost invisible. Even under fitted outfits, it stays completely seamless. What really stands out is the airy feel of the fabric. It keeps you cool and fresh throughout the day. The design is minimal but very thoughtfully crafted. Nothing flashy, just a simple and stylish look. It gives a calm and confident vibe. The cut allows now's natural and free movement. You won't feel restricted at any point. The material quality feels soft yet durable. It holds its shape well even after washing. That's a big plus for daily wear. The overall fit is snug but comfortable. It adjusts smoothly to your body shape. A perfect blend of